How to update the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of WhatsApp on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we just want to open up our respective app store. So on an iPhone, that's going to be the App Store, and on an Android phone, that's going to be the Google Play Store. Go ahead and open that up, and we just want to search WhatsApp. Once it loads, go ahead and select WhatsApp, and if there's an update available, both on Android and iPhone, there'll be a button that says Update. Go ahead and select Update, and that will download the latest version of WhatsApp to your iPhone or Android phone and install it. Once it's done installing the update, you can open it up, and you should have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your iPhone or Android phone. Now, if for some reason you still are not getting the latest features that are available, what I recommend doing is uninstalling the WhatsApp app and then reinstalling it in the App Store on your phone. So to uninstall an app on your iPhone, you simply need to long press the app and then select Remove App. Then just confirm you want to uninstall the app by selecting Delete App. Confirm one more time you want to delete it, and then it will uninstall it. On an Android phone, it's a little bit different. You simply long press the app, and then in the menu that appears, select Uninstall. Once you see this, go ahead and confirm you want to uninstall it by selecting OK. You can also have it keep your app data, so your login, things like that, by selecting that, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'll select OK, it'll uninstall it, and now all I need to do is go to the App Store, search WhatsApp, and go ahead and get it installed. Same thing with the iPhone. And once you have the app reinstalled, that should be the latest version of WhatsApp available because we have uninstalled it and reinstalled it. So that's how you update WhatsApp on an iPhone or Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.